Okay, today we are doing a tier list video on quite a lot of shoes. So let's just get started. I'm not sure what this is, but I mean, I say they're okay. I've seen people wear these before. They're some sort of Jordan. Um, I'm not sure what these are, but yeah, those are bad. These are okay. Uh, nah, bro. Yeah. Our first good.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, these are cool. Yeah, these are cool as well. These are okay, I'd say. Ooh, these are cool. Those are okay. Okay. Ooh, yeah, those are good. Oh yeah. I don't know. Don't know if they're cool or good. I say they're cool. Oh yeah. Amazing. Our first
Nice.
amazing. Yeah, these amazing as well. These also amazing. Ooh, these are an iconic trainer, but if I were to rate them, I'd say they're good. Okay. Ooh, these are good. And yeah, I actually don't know what these are. But they're cool. Oh, good. There. How much trainers do we even have left? Oh my god. Okay. Nah, bro. Mm, these are cool. Okay, I actually have these myself, and I see the feel of them. I mean, for some reason, New Balances feel better, but I mean, the looks, bro. Yeah, these are amazing. I don't know what the hell these are. But I mean, they're okay. Next on. Oh, that is just. Oh yeah, that just amazing. Next one, we have this. I mean, they're okay. And all right, these they're they're cool. Okay, I'm just gonna skip some of these because I don't have that much time. Okay, these are amazing, bro. I mean, these are they're cool. Let's see. Let's go straight on to the Converse. Okay, quite a lot of teenage girls in Scotland for some reason always wear these, and I don't see the need. But I mean, some people have told me that Converses are very comfortable, so I mean, they're okay, I guess. Yeah, straight into amazing, that one. Yes, I mean, these are not. Uh, yeah, these are not good at all. For some reason, all the teachers we wear those. I don't know why. Okay, if this one was kind of like a better color, it'd be like cool. But I mean, nah, bro. What is that color? Okay, straight onto this one. I got a pair of these for Christmas, like 2021, and I don't fit them anymore. But I mean, these were good. Okay, these are okay. I don't know why. I mean, they're expensive, but they're just okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is. I don't care what brand this is. This is just amazing. Okay, these. I mean, still, color. If the color was different, it'd be amazing. But I mean, uh, it's going cool. Okay. All right, we're gonna rank one more shoe, and it's this one. I mean, it's good. I would like it more if there wasn't just a big air thing on the side. So, I mean, that's the trainer tier list.